The COVID-19 pandemic shocked the global economy, laying bare the coordination challenges and vulnerabilities of global value chains, or GVCs, across multiple sectors. The auto industry suffering a shortage of computer chips that stalled and closed production is an example of the overall lack of resilience in GVCs. Governments, consumers, and firms alike have called for GVCs to develop greater resilience to ensure that critical products are delivered to the right place, at the right time, and in the right condition. Firms can reconfigure their GVCs to address vulnerabilities through redistributed manufacturing, or RDM, which are small-scale local production strategies. They enable decentralized design and manufacturing through geographically unconstrained value chains. The question is, does GVC reconfiguration through adoption of RDM and local production deliver greater resilience against disruptive events? Drivers for GVC reconfigurations were evident before COVID. Public interest in environmental concerns, value system resilience, value and ethical trading, and awareness of reputational and financial risks of GVCs is pushing the reshoring of manufacturing. While these have arguably led to relatively incremental changes, catastrophic events such as economic and humanitarian crises can radically impact the way firms do business, requiring firms to do things differently. Uncertainty has forced firms to reconsider risk and urgency as critical factors for GVCs. Over-reliance on traditional GVCs has strengthened demand for more localized, resilient, and agile value chains to manufacture products customized to local needs with smaller environmental footprints. To learn more, read Global Value Chain Reconfiguration and COVID-19, Investigating the Case for More Resilient Redistributed Models of Production by Wendy Phillips and others in California Management Review, Volume 64, Issue 2.